Hello, this is Kate with IT Retail. In this video, we will be going over the backend and how to configure your system. As you can see, when you first log in, the dashboard will give you a summary of your day's sales, your profit, transactions, and hours worked. You can also scroll through previous days or go back to the day you were at. Alright, let's start in products. The first submenu in products is product maintenance. Product maintenance is used to add new or edit existing items and add extra information for those items. Let's add an item. All items need at least a UPC, a name, a department, and a price to be added. The rule of thumb for adding UPC numbers is to keep the first digit and drop the last one. So let's add a product right now. We're going to add brew kombucha. So we'll insert the UPC. Add the name, brew kombucha, the department, and the price. For anything edited or added in the backend, you must press save in the top right. Right there you can see it's green, it says saved. For random weight items, we require the UPC to begin with 002 and include the PLU, then the remaining 5 digits 0. The 002 notifies our system that this item is random weight and will be used with the scale. So let's add a random weight item. Press new, add 002. If the PLU is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we would put that. Price per pound. And then we can save. If you would like more information regarding the correct entry of a UPC and random weight items, we have additional guides on the knowledge base, which are really helpful. Alright, now let's go down the line and explain what each menu does. First one is inventory. Inventory allows you to provide additional information for your products. If vendors have been added, then they will be available from the drop-down menu here. As you can see, we have one vendor, UNFI. We'll add them here. You can also insert item codes from the vendor for purchasing. We'll say this one is $1. The gross margin is calculated. You can also input case cost. We'll say 5. Quantity on hand, right here, represents how many of this item is in stock. Once the quantity has been added, the system will deduct from the quantity every time that product is sold. If a value is inserted here, then the item will be put on the low inventory alert report once the quantity reaches this amount. We'll go over that report more when we reach the inventory menu. These are all additional features and not required, but are very useful for keeping track of both your cost and inventory amounts. Next we have special pricing. Right here is pricing method. Items can be discounted in 5 different ways, and they can all be calendar based and go on indefinitely if dates are not selected. The first type is unit pricing. This is a basic discount. Instead of the product selling at the regular price, it will now be sold at the sale price. When items are sold on sale, a savings message can be populated on the receipt which states how much a customer has saved compared to the regular price. The next discount is split packaging. Split packaging allows for items to be sold as 2 for $5, 3 for $9.99, but customers do not need to buy the stated amount that they still receive for the sale price if only buying one. Next is group threshold. This pricing does require customers to buy the stated amount. If not, then the item will be sold at regular pricing. Group adjusted is buy a certain amount and then the next one will be on sale. Example would be buy 5, get the 6th for $1. The last option is limited pricing. With limited pricing, the specified quantity is sold as a sale price and any item after that is regular price. Next we have age. If an item has age restrictions to purchase, check this box and input the age required for purchase. So here we can press verify age. It could be 8, 1. When you make your modifications, just remember to save. For items that are weighed during purchase, check scale. So these are your properties. If you're going to be weighing this item, press scale. Products that are eligible for food stamp need to have this box checked. Enforced quantity means that when an item is added to the transaction, a window will automatically pop up asking for how many are being sold. This box checked indicates that an item is eligible for discounts, not that the item will automatically be discounted. If a basket discount is applied during checkout, it will not work on items that have not have the discount button checked. Product taxes and fees that have been created can be applied here as well. So if you've created any taxes yet, or you're going to, items that need taxes on them, you would check here, or when they're added to their department, if that department has taxes on it, it will automatically be added to that item. And again, if you have any questions, you can call us or you can look in our knowledge base.